Hey guys, my dad wasn't happy with his old terracotta flower pot, so he decided to give him a better look. I didn't pay much attention to what he was doing until I saw the paint and the brushes. He was going to use the weather-resistant garden paint in Flint color. I helped him to sand the bigger pot with less details, but I still think I did more work on him, although he says different. Then we brushed the pots and wiped them with a damp cloth to get rid of all the dust. And then the fun started. My dad went for a smooth look. I decided to give it a little bit of texture. That's why I had to use more paint. Can you see the texture? We painted the pots once, left them dry for a few minutes, and then gave them the second coat. Once the paint dried, we put some soil in the pots and planted beautiful flowers in the smaller pot and some succulents in the bigger one. And here is the result. Hope you like our new improved pots. Try it yourself. It's quite fun and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.